The average new vehicle in America now costs over $54,000 as of early 2025, with electric trucks starting at $55,000 or more. But one company just shattered that logic. Introducing the 2027 Slate Truck, an electric pickup starting under $20,000 after federal incentives. Built on principles of radical simplicity and customization, this vehicle strips away unnecessary complexities to deliver pure utility at a fraction of competitors' prices. Here's why the Slate Truck may be the most revolutionary vehicle of the decade. The blank slate philosophy. Slate Auto isn't merely producing an affordable truck. They're fundamentally reimagining what a modern vehicle should be. While established manufacturers like Ford, Tesla, and Rivian continue adding complex features and subscription-based services, the Slate Truck takes the opposite approach by returning to essentials. At the core of their design philosophy are unpainted composite body panels made from glass-filled polypropylene. These panels are 30% lighter than traditional steel, making the vehicle more energy efficient while being remarkably dent-resistant. This material choice serves two crucial functions: improving durability for real-world use and eliminating the need for an expensive paint shop in the manufacturing process, saving approximately $1,500 per vehicle in production costs. What truly separates Slate from competitors is their unprecedented single-factory configuration model. Every Slate truck leaves the factory identical: slate gray, no paint, no trim levels, and no confusing option packages. Instead, the company embraces a platform approach where customers customize their vehicle after purchase with an ecosystem of over 100 bolt-on accessories and upgrades. This approach extends to their direct-to-consumer business model. There are no dealerships, no middlemen, and no markups. Customers order online, and customization parts arrive directly to their door along with Slate U tutorial videos designed for simple self-installation. According to Slate Auto's research, the average new vehicle buyer pays nearly $2,800 in dealership fees and markups, costs completely eliminated in their model. Transformable design, from pickup to SUV. Perhaps the most innovative aspect of the Slate Truck is its transformable architecture. With the optional SUV conversion kit, owners can transform their pickup into a 5-passenger family vehicle in under an hour. No specialized tools or professional help required. The transformation is made possible through a modular rear section featuring a pickup bed that fully unbolts from the chassis. It can be replaced with a weatherproof cabin extension that adds seating for 3 additional passengers, effectively converting the truck into a full-sized SUV. The entire system uses standard fasteners that require only basic tools, and the company's comprehensive Slate U step-by-step guides make the process accessible to anyone with basic mechanical skills. The financial implications are significant. Rather than purchasing both a $40,000 SUV and a separate truck for utility needs, customers get both vehicle types in one package for less than half the price. For small businesses, outdoor enthusiasts, and families with diverse transportation needs, this flexibility represents a compelling value proposition. Early customer interviews suggest this feature could be especially appealing to outdoor enthusiasts who need a pickup for gear transport during weekends, but require additional passenger capacity during the week. Similarly, small business owners who toggle between commercial and family use find the concept particularly compelling. Performance and range. While the Slate Truck prioritizes affordability, it delivers surprisingly capable performance metrics that meet the everyday needs of most drivers. The standard powertrain configuration offers 201 horsepower and 195 pound-foot of torque through a rear-wheel drive setup. This provides ample acceleration for daily driving while maintaining efficiency. For those needing additional capability, Slate has announced an all-wheel drive variant scheduled for the 2028 model year. The battery system comes in 2 configurations to accommodate different driving needs. The standard range package uses a 54 kilowatt-hour battery perfectly suited for urban and suburban driving patterns. Based on Department of Transportation data showing the average American drives just 39 miles per day, this configuration provides nearly 4 days of typical use between charges. For longer distance drivers, the extended range package utilizes an 87 kilowatt-hour battery and adds $4,000 to the base price. This configuration makes regional travel and occasional road trips practical, without the significant cost increase typically associated with larger battery packs. Charging capabilities strike a balance between practicality and convenience. Level 2 home charging delivers a full charge in approximately 8 hours, using a standard 240V outlet, making overnight charging seamless for most owners. For longer journeys, the truck supports DC fast charging at rates up to 120 kilowatt, allowing the battery to charge from 20 to 80% in 28 minutes. While not the fastest in the industry, this rate provides reasonable convenience during necessary stops on longer trips. Interior design. The Slate Truck's interior exemplifies the company's philosophy of purposeful design. Rather than following industry trends toward increasingly complex digital interfaces, the cabin embraces accessible simplicity. Most notably, the vehicle lacks a traditional infotainment screen. Instead, it features a universal phone tablet mount, positioned for optimal visibility. With an optional dedicated tablet dock available, this approach leverages the computing power and interface customers already own and understand, while eliminating the cost and complexity of proprietary systems that often become outdated before the vehicle's lifespan ends. The interior continues the minimalist approach with manual window cranks as standard equipment, power windows available as a $350 upgrade. While this might seem like a regression to some, the mechanical simplicity significantly reduces both initial costs and long-term maintenance expenses. According to automotive reliability studies, power window systems are among the top 10 most commonly repaired vehicle components after 5 years of ownership. Climate controls utilize physical knobs and buttons rather than digital interfaces buried in touchscreen menus. This design choice reflects growing consumer frustration with touchscreen climate controls. Despite these cost-saving measures, the Slate Truck doesn't compromise on essential safety technology. Standard safety features include automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and electronic stability control. Pricing and availability. The most revolutionary aspect of the Slate Truck is undoubtedly its pricing structure. The vehicle starts at $27,900, and with the current $7,500 federal EV tax credit, the effective price drops to $2,400 for qualifying buyers. This translates to monthly payments as low as $320 per month with good credit on a standard 5-year financing plan. Compared to the average new vehicle payment of nearly $700 per month in early 2025, the financial advantage is substantial. Production is scheduled to begin in late 2026, with first deliveries targeted for Q1 2027. The company is currently accepting $50 fully refundable deposits to secure a place in the production queue, with over 40,000 pre-orders already registered, representing nearly the entire first year of planned production. Slate achieves this disruptive pricing through several strategic decisions. Eliminating paint and finishing costs saves approximately $100 per vehicle. Direct-to-consumer sales remove dealership margins that typically add 12 to 18% to vehicle cost. Strategic use of standardized components from established suppliers, batteries from CATL, motors from Bosch, reduces development costs and improves reliability. Single factory configuration dramatically simplifies the manufacturing process, reducing complexity and associated costs. For budget-conscious consumers, young families, small businesses, and anyone seeking practical transportation without financial strain, the Slate Truck represents an unprecedented opportunity to enter the electric vehicle market without compromise. The 2027 Slate Truck isn't just another vehicle. It's a fundamentally different approach to transportation that could transform how Americans think about car ownership, challenging the notion that quality electric vehicles must come with premium price tags. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.